Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's have a look again on the gold market. So you can see what has happened recently. As soon as announcement of the postponing of the tariffs for a majority of the countries for 90 days have been announced, immediately cash has returned back to the stock market. So stocks have jumped, releasing back the margin that has been deposited previously, and which was actually the reason why the gold has fallen and has become under pressure. Now cash returning back, and gold immediately starts to playing out the positive factors that have been on the market previously. So as we said, as soon as this technical sell-off will be over, gold immediately will start working with the positive factors that stand on the market, and that has happened. In general, everything has happened really fine. Market has shown great jump from the predefined confluence support area. Although personally, I would like it would be more gradual, so not straightforward with some retracement that could give chance for people to take the position with the gold. But you can see that immediately it was really very fast action. Market is actually now is very close to the top, and for the truth's sake, for now, right here, I do not see lots of things to do. Why? Because all our targets that we could set for intraday trading already has been completed and even exceeded. Now gold stands very close to the overbought area, which is around 31.50, and very close to the top on intraday charts. So at this point right here, I wouldn't say that we have some really attractive chance for taking the long position. In the current background, I wouldn't take the shorts by far, because we don't have any clear signs for that. On the 4 time frame chart, actually you could see what has happened based on our so-called double repo pattern. Market has jumped significantly. The only thing that theoretically might be considered, if we once again pay attention to the harmony that we have here, or better, it could be, you could see it on hourly chart. This is a kind of the hand and shoulders shape. We could maybe not call it as a hand and shoulders, but obviously we have some harmony with the performance. And from that standpoint of view, I would take some passive position. So if we would if we will get the retracement back to the 30.65, that's great. We think about taking the long position here based on this shape. If not, when I will take a look what will happen with the gold, how it played out, the situation with the overbought that we have on the daily chart. Something should be formed. Another reason why it makes sense to pay attention to this, if you take a look at the 4 time frame chart, you clearly, I will just delete this in moving average, you clearly could see that if you combine this leg down and this leg up, you will get great bullish engulfing pattern, right? On the daily chart, it just downside action has taken 2 days, while the upward action has taken the 1 day. But if you suggest for example, if you use 2 days chart instead of the 1 day chart, you will see that this will be downside candle and that will be upside candle, and this create great actually bullish engulfing. From that standpoint of view, this setup has not bad chances to happen. So if we suggest that this is engulfing, then minor retracement back in the body of the pattern, and as usual it happens with the engulfings, upside extension in the way of the ABCD pattern. That's what I think really makes sense to keep an eye on. Currently, until this setup will be formed, right at this point where we stand, well, I do not see a lot of things to do. So probably we need to take in pause and see what the progress market will show.